Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am here with day 5 for my 31-day series of how to organize your yarn. So these are all different creative ideas. Some of them are really practical, some of them are really silly, some of them are just gorgeous. Today's idea is a bit silly, but it's absolutely adorable, and I love this idea. I don't know who came up with an idea to put yarn balls in a vintage gumball machine, but I like this person. I like this person a lot. That's such a great idea. That all being said, I'm kind of a frugal gal myself, so I can't imagine spending too much money on a vintage gumball machine to put my old yarn scraps in, but it's still an adorable idea. It's really, really cute. I'm not sure where you'd get a vintage gumball machine. Maybe you could get something like that on eBay, or even in a, if you're lucky, you could find it in a vintage store, like an antique store or something like that. But such a fun idea. It's really cute. I think if it were me, I'd probably change the gumballs over to multicolors. But the monochromatic look that's in this picture is really cute too. I like them both. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow with another fun, creative idea to store your yarn. See you tomorrow.